Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start in Settings, unlock the iPhone and tap Settings now. First, check Software Updates so features are available, install updates if needed. Make sure you already have a passcode and Face ID or Touch ID configured. Otherwise, some lock screen options are disabled. Once those prerequisites are met, return to Settings and tap Wallpaper and Face ID and passcode so you can immediately change visuals and security options. This saves time and prevents unexpected lock. Now you'll change how the lock screen looks. Tap Wallpaper or the lock screen preview. Pick an image, live photo, or shuffle. You can enable depth or perspective effects to create parallax motion. Turn that off if motion bothers you. Add widgets, change font and clock placement, and link the lock screen to a focus mode if desired. Make sure to preview changes, because appearance affects readability and battery slightly. Once done, tap Set and choose Lock Screen to apply immediately. Finish by tuning security and access. Go to Face ID and passcode to change Require passcode timing or Control Center access on the lock screen. Choose whether notifications show previews and whether Today View is accessible from the lock screen. These control privacy. If options don't appear, restart the iPhone first. If that fails, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone, right arrow Reset all settings to restore defaults without deleting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.